Hi, I'm Colin, and in this video, we're going to cover the different methods for compaction in your paving stone system. The most common and straightforward way to achieving compaction in your paving stones is with the use of a hand tamper. You probably already have one of these anyways if you use it to build the base construction underneath your paving stones, so it can also be used to achieve compaction in your paving stones as well. You just want to be careful if you have any textured or large format product because it can break that product or even chip the edges. If you don't have a textured product or it's not a larger format slab, you can definitely use a hand tamper. It's just going to be a lot of work and a lot of time to achieve compaction and that joint sand consolidation. Now, if you don't want to deal with the physically draining effort of using a hand tamper, you can definitely move to a vibratory steel plate compactor. These are readily available and achieve really good compaction and joint sand consolidation of paving stones. But it has the same flaws as a hand tamper. It's a metal plate banging on concrete products. If you have textured products or large format paving stones, you want to be wary because it can break them or chip them. If for some reason you have a textured or large format product, make sure you move to the next compaction option. Now, if you're looking for the best results of compaction and joint sand consolidation, the #1 way to do that is with a roller attachment for a plate compactor or a roller compactor. They do the best job of knocking down all those high spots, those minor imperfections in the paving stones, as well as working that sand into the joints to make it nice and tight and compact so you don't have any wash out later. The only downside to a roller compactor is they're not always readily available. So if you want similar results, you can use an attachment using a rubber pad or a urethane pad. You can usually source these online for a couple $100. But attaching that to the bottom of your plate compactor will still help work in that joint sand, but not provide as good of compaction as a roller attachment. Now, if none of those previous options are available to you or you don't want to damage your surface, you're left with one option to get joint sand consolidation, and that is with the use of a rubber mallet. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of time, but you really need to understand that you need to make sure that all the joint sand is worked into those joints and tight so you have no washout later, especially when using a polymeric sand, as you will lose all your structure. You need compact and tight joint sand no matter how hard or how long it's going to take with the use of a rubber mallet if none of those other options are available to you. So with having seen the tips in this video, we hope it helped you understand that compaction isn't just about making things flat and smooth, it's mostly about working that joint sand into place and consolidating it as much as possible. If you have any hardscape projects coming up, make sure you check out our library of videos or blogs on our website to ensure that we can help you any way we can.